This is what happened when I did my last oil change. You said it's in there? So they look out real quick. Hold on. This way, this way, this way. Alright, come on. Come on. Come straight. Alright guys, so today we're doing a cold air intake install on Cam's 2010 GTI. I'll give you guys a quick angle. So right now, the things we have to do, if you guys can see here, we have to take out these bolts. Next one is right here. And there's a couple other 10mm, well, these aren't the 10s, but these are the Phillips that we have to take out. The 10mm bolts are all the way in the back over here, which I know is hard to see. And also too, we already started removing this, which we did that already. So there's just a couple steps we have to do. Hopefully we'll be done within the next hour, if all goes well. But we all know with car stuff, nothing ever goes as planned. So let's see what happens. Grab a dish. It's a metal dish.
If you came Saturday, yeah, I've been help, but you gotta give people. Are you gonna need a wrench, plumber's wrench? Nah, the other one to squeeze these off.
Okay.
Alright, that's it. But like I said, back there gonna be hot. Keep that bolt the same way, go back on. Alright. Nah, yeah, pull up sometimes. Go to the next one. It's gonna be out quick. You better be happy I like Volkswagen. I gotta bring my sign out and show you. Volkswagen car, please.
Oh. What about
yeah,
that?
coming right now.
What about that BMW right there?
Yeah, coming right now. Yeah.
BMW's an exception?
Alright, watch what
Nah,
he's
I
doing.
like BMW. Now you don't need this again.
No?
No.
None of these is used.
Oh, so you don't need those ones.
All this is going to store in your garage or wherever you got. Unless your girlfriend asks, I don't know.
I want you to breathe all this in, breathe all this in.
It's okay.
Yo, this nigga Chander, bro.
What? You got the camera.
Nah, they need to see this shit.
It's right. It's fine.
Are you sure we don't need it?
Yeah, bro. You could live. These are probably like only $1 at Volkswagen.
What?
Uncle said we don't need these. It's not a big deal. It's just this one right here.
That's only one, bro.
And it's right under there. It's like, you know what he has? Hold on. Fuck. He has that magnetic tool that you can use to grab tools. Hold on.
I want you to breathe all this in.
before. You gotta find something to fit this. I put tape around it on this little shit here. And that'll be your ratchet. So I can't find it.
Hungry? I'm swarming.
You know what? I'm about to take this fucking
Now, yes, you do live that way, but you can go towards, Malik, King Street. You know where your grandmother lived? Oh, go that way.
Smoothie.
Yeah, that's just over there. Hold up. I understand.
Give me like a vice grip. Yeah, you try that one. It's like blue handle.
You ain't catch me before.
Try using it. Yo, listen. My man B18 guy, I'll run your fucking car, my car, any car out
Not my
there.
K series though.
Yo,
I don't.
you got 500 horsepower. I don't bring it to his house.
I had
I'm gonna
600.
shut you up. Nah, listen. His shit is just running 8-pound boost for 500 pounds, 500 horsepower. And his Civic, not his M3. When he took me for a ride in it, he said I'll drop you home so you work on my car. That's the worst. He asked Keem. That's the worst. Keem like, yeah, that's nice. Keem was young at the time. I was like, nah, damn, I'm gonna die. Alright, now this is the fun part here. You break it, that's your problem. Shit costs a lot. It took me. I got anything on? This shit took me like. Nah, this is am I telling you about the oil? Nah, separator, oil separator.
Oh,
yeah. I hate this shit. You see how much oil down there? I can show you in a second if I can take this shit out.
You got a centrifuge.
Give me a flathead. Coming out. As I told you, I get that pet oil there. That should cost too much. I ain't got one yet.
How was that shit?
$500.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
All right, guys. So sorry we didn't record the whole thing. It just ended up taking a lot more time than we had expected.
Like this way?
It took about at least an hour and a half. We thought it'd be easier. Jose's in the bag.
I'm
I
good?
don't know if you guys can see him.
Alright, good.
But so we just finished it up just now. It took about an hour and a half. So right now we're just gonna go see how this sounds.
An hour and a half.
This way, Cam.
That shit, that took like 30 minutes. When the walls face this way, so we
This
might
way.
just go this way.
Damn, man, that's just not like a fucking vacuum. Alright, coming from a dead stop. Right here.
Do a dead stop?
Yeah. Alright, go ahead. What the fuck was that?
You hear that scream?
That's what you wanted?
Huh?
You wanted the screen?
Had the scream, nigga. You're pushing that shit OD like that?
It's like a supercharger.
Hell yeah.
That shit sounds nice.
Mm-hmm. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. That right there is the best part.
Hey, what's good, boy? Enoch. Huh? Nah, cause they're mad people.
What'd you say about T-Bullet?
Fuck them, that's what I said.
Rub that shit.
Yeah, that shit neutral?
No part.
Oh, I'm like, so why that shit roll back just now?
I had my foot on the brake the whole time.
That shit sound nice.
It has a whine to it too.
Yo, you should have put the you should have did it before and after.
Yeah, it has a whine to it.
It has a whine to
So,
it.
yeah, once he pushes it, yeah, nigga. That shit sounds sexy, bro.
That's why I wanted it.
So what's your next thing you gotta do?
No choice.
Who is that? You were talking to her, Rohi? Who is this?
Yo, Raheem, shut up.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I'll come over there and
Cause they'll
smack
age
you
restricted.
with that camera.
So I guess fuck is like a hard
That shit
swear
like
word.
belongs in your butt, nigga.
Shut up,
Like
Ryan.
that.
Oh, I think that's Danny with the Subi, I think.
Shut up.
Ask me, be like, yo, are you Danny with the Subi?
Get the e-heater.
Shut up.
We got the heater.
Shut the fuck up.
You gotta bleep
I said
that
it
out.
twice.
Ask him.
I don't
ask him
care.
about the Subi.
It was good, boy. It was good. It was good.
That's him with the Subi. His shit's
You work out, you got chill.
Shit, we about to smoke this hookah, nigga.
Look at this. Look at
We about to smoke this hookah.
Hell, you guys are so. Boom gang, whole lot of gang shit.
Boom gang, boom gang,
Shit.
boom gang,
Boom gang.
boom gang.
Boom gang.
What's that, Rebel?
Boom gang.
Huh?
Boom gang.
Nah, bro, it's green light.
Put that shit in the car.
Shut up, Malik.
Cam.
Raheem.